What to do if you're involved in an accident? It's a legal requirement to stop at the scene of an accident as soon as safely possible to do so. If you don't, you run the risk of a fine, penalty points, a prison sentence, or disqualification. Here are the steps you should take, as advised by the police, if you are involved in an accident. Stop at the scene as soon as you can do so safely. Turn off your engine to prevent further damage and reduce risk. Turn on your hazard lights to notify other drivers of a collision. Check yourself, passengers, and other drivers for injuries. If there are any, call the ambulance service immediately. Exchange details with the other drivers, including name, address, and car registration number. Ideally, you can exchange your insurance details, if you have them. Do I need to call the police following an accident? In most cases, you don't need to call 101 or 999 and involve the police. However, there are some circumstances where you may have to. When to call 101? You should call 101 if the other person, or persons, involved in the car accident fails to give you details or leaves the scene. Making a note of their car registration will help the police with this issue and should speed up the claiming process. When to call 999? In some cases, tempers can flare. Call the police on 999 if you feel an imminent threat or danger. Furthermore, you should call the police if you think a more serious offense has occurred, such as drunk driving. You should also call 999 if the car accident location could cause further issues, such as blocking lanes on a motorway.